So I'm going to choose r and phi. So I'll write z in terms of r and phi, r and alpha. So this tells me that r p slash o is r e r, and then r by tan alpha. This is with respect to the frame F1. Okay, fixed frame F1. Let me obtain the velocity and then we'll come back and complete the acceleration and so on. You can try finding the acceleration in your own time as well before we come next class. But I'll do it anyways. So differentiate this once to get the velocity. So V P slash O is d by dt or P slash O with respect to F1. And in some sense, this frame F3 acts as a body frame, right? This is because it is attached to the particle, and the particle is what we want to track. Okay. So I'll rewrite this in terms of the frame F3. So this is d by dt or P slash O F3 omega F3 slash F1 or P slash. We just do this one and then move on. Okay? I keep getting confused with the closing time, because I'm teaching a class that ends at 12:25. This class ends at 12:30, and then yesterday I thought that class ended at 12:30 as well. So I'll do this quickly. So Vp slash O F1 is d by dt of r e r by tan alpha e3 with respect to the frame F3, and then omega cross sum plus omega of F3 slash F1 is the additive sum of these two, so that's phi dot plus capital omega E3 crossed with R E R and alpha. Quick differentiation. I'm differentiating all of these terms with respect to the frame F3, so if I have unit vectors of the frame F3, they won't undergo any differentiation. So which means only the term R will undergo differentiation in the first block. So this is going to give me R dot ER plus R dot by tan alpha E3. This is what I get from the first chunk, because everything is done with respect to F3. And then I have E3 crossed with ER, so I need to draw my triad somewhere. I can draw it out here. So ER, E phi, E3. E3 crossed with ER is E phi, so this is just going to be plus R times phi dot plus omega. E5, the last term does not contribute. E3 cross E3 is 0, so this is V slash O respect to F1. Alright. So we'll stop here. Next class we need to come and differentiate this one more time to get the acceleration. And I want to ask you if you have any feedback on the pace of the class, or maybe ways of improving our conversations, you can let me know anytime. Okay, feel free to send me an email, or maybe after class you can tell me, hey, you're going too fast, or maybe the figures are not making sense, I'm more than happy to explain it again. Okay? Thank you very much. See you all.